your Beaufort County News Headlines. I'm Matt Goldin. Here today's top stories. Centimeter by centimeter, a local archaeologist has spent years unearthing the legacy of a once vibrant community on Hilton Head Island. Her efforts, combined with $23 million in restoration projects, are bringing long overdue recognition to the country's first self-governed town of freedmen and refugees escaping slavery. Today, the once bustling footprint of Mitchelville exists as a park on the northern edge of the island. A sign welcomes visitors with a simple but powerful slogan: Historic Mitchelville Freedom Park, where freedom began. Katherine Seeber was a graduate student just beginning her dissertation when she was invited to a Juneteenth celebration at Mitchelville several years ago. She had plans set on studying the Sea Pond Shell Ring, a historic mound created by Native people thousands of years ago. With little convincing, Seeber switched her focus to Mitchelville and now is partnered with the Historic Mitchelville Freedom Park organization. "I'm so glad that I did," Seeber said. Next, care of Beaufort County, formerly known as Beaufort County Alcohol and Drug Department, is hosting Recovery is Worth the Walk to raise awareness and support September as National Recovery Month. The walk will be Thursday, September 19th from 6 to 8 p.m. at Battery Creek High School at 1 Blue Dolphin Drive. The event is free and open to the public. To walk as an individual or to register as a team, scan the QR code on the flyer or go to the link in the story. For questions and more information, contact Nexus Care of Beaufort County at 843-255-6000. Beaufort County Legislative Delegation encourages qualified citizens who are willing to serve on board or commission to submit an application. All applicants must be a registered voter in Beaufort County to be considered for an appointment. The following boards and commissions have legislative designation appointed vacancies, expired terms, or terms that expire near the future: the Coastal Empire Community Mental Health Center, Board of Voter Registration and Election, Beaufort Jasper Water and Sewer Authority. The applications can be found online. Beaufort County is beginning repairs on several roads in Hilton Head as part of the county's annual roadway resurfacing program funded by the County Transportation Committee. The county will be starting road patching and paving beginning Tuesday, September 3rd. Contractors ask that residents please refrain from parking in the street during the time of operation. This will be a daytime activity between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. The road project is expected to last approximately 2 weeks. These are the target dates and may be delayed or advanced due to weather and field conditions. Flaggers will be in each work zone, so motorists are asked to travel with caution. For more information on any of these stories, please visit the sources on the screen, and as always, you can head to BeaufortCountySC.gov for press releases straight from Beaufort County. Thanks for tuning in to your Beaufort County News Headlines. Have a great day, Beaufort County.
Make sure to check out Festive Beaufort, your exclusive ticket to all the excitement happening across Beaufort County. Join us as we explore vibrant events that bring our community together. From local flavors at seafood festivals to creativity at art shows, Festive Beaufort celebrates the heart and soul of our community. Don't miss the stories behind these events that make Beaufort County shine. Tune in and discover why Beaufort County is the place for every occasion. Festive Beaufort is where the spirit of our community comes alive. Find episodes of Festive Beaufort on BCTV, on the BCTV YouTube channel, and on the BCTV app. Weekends are for sports. BCTV has replays of your favorite Beaufort County games from high school, college, and more. Saturday and Sunday from noon to 6 p.m. Relive all the exciting moments, great endings, and wild celebrations that make you love sports. Watch Beaufort Sports Weekend replays on Saturday and Sunday from noon to 6 p.m. on Beaufort County TV. BCTV. Live, work, play.